I would like to now introduce to you Dr. Edmond Rambod. Dr. Edmond is a graduate of the Israel Institute of Technology, both in medicine and engineering. He is a doctor of medicine who speaks like an engineer, and that makes his work intriguing. Please welcome Dr. Edmond Rambod.
Something that you should know. Breast cancer right now is the #1 cancer-related mortality in women. So the US mortality rate is about 50,000 per year. That means every 10 minutes, a woman dies in this country of breast cancer. My view is that why a woman needs to wait until the age of 40 when we know that the inception of cancer starts in late 20s or 30s. These are the 2020 statistics published by the US government. 63% of the breast cancer cases that are diagnosed are confined, what they refer to as a confined to primary site, meaning that it has not spread around. The same statistics show that if you find that cancer early enough and either treat it, eliminate it, do something with it, then the 5-year relative survival rate is about 99%.
Our next guest is Paige Levy. Paige is a judge, fitness competitor, wife, and 2-time cancer survivor.
My story starts in 2012. I was on one of those routine yearly mammograms, so I was one of those very healthy people. I had been a vegan for about 5 years, and I worked out all the time, so I never thought anything was going to touch me. Well, the doctor walked in and he said, "We found something on the mammogram." From that point on, the next thing that happened is I ended up having a biopsy, and that biopsy is really a lot of fun. And so ultimately that biopsy came back with invasive breast cancer.
You can probably see that almost 80% of the breast cancer cases happen laterally to the nipple, towards the underarm where the lymph nodes are. So we resorted to automated ultrasound. And the whole idea was finding the high-risk lesions before it becomes cancer. So overall, what we are trying to accomplish here is providing a 2-mode, quick 5-step process in less than 10 minutes. Women can have these tests irrespective of their age. For what I care, they can start in their 20s, as long as we can establish baseline for every person. This is a personalized medicine. This is personalized preventive medicine.
In July of 2013, I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer. I had just been through a lot, and I didn't want to go through more. And I worked with my doctor, and I said, I want to try a different approach. That went on for about 6 months, and then I spoke with my doctor, and at one point we felt that the thyroid had to be removed. And then in February of 2014, I had my thyroid removed. My last surgery was in February of 2014. And by August of 2014, I was actually back competing on the fitness stage. And for me, this was a big part. I really did not want to let cancer take anything away from my life. That fitness competitions have been a big part of my recovery. It's how I say that cancer doesn't get to take anything away from me.